Yeah, so welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's question is taken from class 10 mathematics. So let me start solving this. So welcome for today's class of mathematics. So take down the question. The following table shows the daily wages of workers in a factory. Rewrite and complete the table and find the mean by direct method. This question is taken from statistics chapter. Here. Okay, I hope you all have written the question till here. We have to find the mean by direct method over here. Okay, so let us fill this first. Okay, now here the wages in rupees is given, that is class interval, and here number of workers fi, the frequencies are given. Okay, class interval is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and the frequency is 6, 5, 6, 8, 4, 6, and 35 is given over here, the total. Now class marks is xi, which is what I'll have to do. 20 plus 10 will be 30. 30 upon 2 if you do, you will get 15 over here. Same way 20 plus 30 is 50. 50 divided by 2, you will get 25. Then you will get 35, 45, 55, 65 over here. And then you'll have to multiply 6 multiplied by 15, you will get 90, 125, 210 over here, 360, 360, 220, and 390 over here. Okay, you'll have to multiply 6 multiplied by 65, you will get 390. Then after adding all this, you will get 1395. You'll have to find out the mean, right? So apply the formula over here. So mean is equal to mean x bar is equal to summation of fi into xi upon summation of fi. Now this is equal to 1395 upon 35. Fi is 35. Okay, then you all have to cancel this. 5 sevens are 5, 2s are 10, carry 3 over here. So 5 sevens are 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 4 is over here. So 5 nines are 70, which what it will be? Yeah. So 7 ones are 7, 7, 6, 7 fives are, it will be 35, right? Yeah, 7 fours are 28, 7 threes are 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 6 will go here. So 7 nines are, you will get 63 point. So it will be 8, 6. So what will be your answer? So your final answer will be 39.857. I got 857 it is. Okay. Then if I do round off and all, I will get 39.86. Therefore, I can write down the final statement. Therefore, the mean is 39.86. So I hope you'll have understood how to do this, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with the friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any doubts, queries, comment below.